Hi, friends. AI is super cool, but sorry, it's not perfect. And we're still learning about some of the problems and dangers it can have. That's why it's so important to explore AI with a parent, teacher, or guardian to keep things safe. AI is amazing, but your safety always comes first. Ready to dive in together? Let's go.
Welcome to the AI for Kids podcast, the podcast for moms, aunties, and teachers who want the kids they love to understand AI without more screen time. We keep it simple, safe, and fun, no tech degree required. Each episode breaks down AI ideas and includes activities to help kids use AI in ways that keep them curious and creative. No pressure, no overwhelm, no extra screens. Just clear, engaging learning you can feel good about. Let's get started. Hey friends, welcome back to AI for Kids, the podcast where we break down the big ideas of artificial intelligence in ways that even the littlest learners can understand. And today we're talking about a cool one, the letter X, as in X-ray vision. Before we dive in, if you're doing something fun with AI or want to share your questions or ideas on this podcast, ask a grown-up to email me at contact@aidigitals.com. We'll put it in the show notes. I'd love to hear from you. Maybe you'll be a guest on the show one day. So X is for X-ray vision. And nope, we're not talking about superhero powers. We're talking about how AI and smart tools can see what's inside things using special sensors like X-rays, heat cameras, or other safe scanning tools. Now, this isn't magic. It's machine learning plus sensors working together. So what is X-ray vision in the world of AI? X-ray vision in the AI world means helping computers see things we can't easily see on our own with our own eyes. Some machines use X-rays, like when you go to a doctor's office, thermal cameras, which are used to see heat, or ultrasound, like sound waves that bounce off of things to make pictures. AI then looks at these pictures to find patterns, shapes, or clues that help it understand what it's seeing, even if it's inside of something. So how does AI learn to see? AI doesn't have eyeballs. It looks at images from cameras or sensors and learns patterns by studying lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of examples. For example, if you show it thousands of pictures of backpacks, it might learn how to recognize what's inside based on shapes, edges, or even outlines, even without ever opening the package. That's why it's often used in hospitals to spot things like broken bones, airports to check inside of bags, space science to see heat from stars or planets, or even in factories to check if a part is cracked or missing. So, as always, you always got to watch out for different things when you're learning about AI. So let's talk about something very important. Just because a machine can look inside things doesn't mean it should. Here are 3 simple rules for you kids. 1, ask first. Never let an app or tool take pictures of you, your room, or stuff without a grown-up's okay. 2, don't give access. Don't let an app or game use your camera or microphone unless a parent or teacher says it's okay. 3, keep your privacy. That means it's okay to say no if something feels weird. Always trust your gut. And it's totally fine to say no and keep things private. AI should help people, not watch people without permission. So I want you to try this at home. This game is called I Spy Like AI. You'll need a blindfold or scarf, 5 to 6 mystery objects from your home, nothing breakable, 2 players, 1 is the robot and 1 is the trainer. Now, how do you play this game? The trainer picks a secret object and places it on the table. Then the robot is blindfolded. Next, the trainer gives voice clues like it's round, it smells fruity, it has a stem. The robot guesses what it is using just their ears. Then I want you to switch roles. This is like how AI sometimes uses sound and pattern clues instead of regular sight. It learns by being trained just like your robot in the game. I want you to ask a grown-up, where have you seen machines that can see inside of things? And I want you to answer the questions too. Also ask, how do we make sure those machines are used in helpful and respectful ways? You can also ask a grown-up, including your teachers, parents, or other guardians in your life, what do you think about the rules for using cameras and sensors safely? Let's talk about these things. Why does it matter? Not all AI tools are made for kids, and that's okay. Your job isn't to build the biggest robot yet. It's to stay curious, ask smart questions, and always check with a grown-up before trying tech that uses cameras, voice, or sensors. You really matter in this big AI world because how we use it starts with people like you. And if you still have questions and need help and you want me to visit your school or class to talk about AI in a fun way, I'd love to come. Ask a teacher, a parent, or principal to email me at contact@aidigitals.com. So thanks for joining me for X is for X-Ray Vision. Next up, the letter Y, and you won't want to miss it. Until then, keep being curious. And remember, AI should help humans, not replace them. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining us as we explored the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Don't keep this adventure to yourself. Download it, share it with your friends, and let everyone else in on the fun. Subscribe wherever you get your podcasts or on YouTube. See you next time on AI for Kids.